Today we celebrate a faithful man, a servant of God with a helping hand. You carry love wherever you go. Through every kindness your heart will show. You bless your family, friends, and all, always ready when others call. With humble strength and faith so true, God's light keeps shining bright through you. Happy birthday, Albert. May the Lord keep blessing you for your servant heart and faithfulness. Heaven smiles on all you do. You are a blessing to God's people, a man of love so pure and true. Happy birthday, Albert. May God's favor rest on you. A God-fearing man with a heart so wide, sharing